Hello, my dears. Very good morning to all of you. In our today's revision, we will see speech writing. Okay, how to write a speech. If you have seen something in a newspaper, news channel, or television, okay, so then you had seen all the events taken place there. Okay, so now you want to convert these event in a speech, in the form of a speech. So how to turn it in form of a speech, we are going to see two to three speeches in this module. Okay, in revision. Number one, you are Sohan or Sonia. You have seen the following news in the newspaper. You have seen a news in newspaper. Okay, and using this your own idea means now it needs your idea. Okay, so write a speech describing both the benefit and drawback. Okay, so when you heard about the news, when you saw in newspaper, so now you have to tell about benefit and drawback of using high tech devices. Okay, using these high tech devices. Okay, so here we are talking about technology. Okay, we will tell the benefits and effect and impact of technology. Okay, benefits and drawbacks. We'll talk about benefits or drawback of technology, technology, high tech devices. Number one. So the technology are growing fast. Yes, day by day, day to day, and run fast run competition. We can see. Okay, and the technologies are growing fast. Yes, very fast. It is working. Science has invented a lot which provide all comfort to us. Okay, science has changed our life. We are living in the age of science. Science leads our life comfortable and luxurious. Okay. However, it has also invented things like video game, internet, cell phone, and lots of other things which are causing hazards. Yes, these all things are very usable. But if you are using the things like overuses, okay, so the things will give you harm. Things will give you harm definitely. Okay, so we have many electronic gadgets based on computer technology like video game, mobile phone, okay, internet, okay, cell phone, mobile phone, video game. So these are all lots of other things, okay, which are causing hazards. Okay, if we use unlimited, if we use uh, overuse, so we gets tired. Okay, and we gets overstrained after that if we are using too much. No doubt internet is useful, but it depends upon its use. Yes, internet is, internet is very useful for everyone, no doubt. Okay, but it depends on your need. Okay, what you want from internet, it depends on us, and it depends on its utility and uses. These items can corrupt one by sensitizing the young generation. Okay, these items can corrupt one by sensitizing the young generation. Okay, and if the young generation used to of these gadgets or these high-tech devices, okay, so the young generation can be lazy, okay, and careless. Then the growth of crime is a great danger. Yes, now you see, when criminal just commit any crime, so they are already mastermind by seeing computer, by seeing any game, or by seeing any movie or serial. Okay, the children know a lot through them. Children came to know. Children know many things. Okay, from them. Crime and violence grow in them. Yes, we have seen that in internet, in YouTube videos. There are crimes. Okay, there are many crimes, and the pictures and movies related to violence. Okay, and when it goes to youngsters mind, so it struck their mind. Okay, and there is a need to educate children to use them properly. So it is must and it is required to use the high-tech devices properly or carefully. Okay, then at the end, thank you. Okay. So it was about using high-tech devices. Next, you are required to speak on pollution in an inter-school competition. Okay, so you are required to speak. Okay, you have a topic pollution and you have to speak on it. Okay, in inter-school competition, prepare your speech. So you are going to prepare your speech. Okay, taking help from the following points. Okay, you have given already points. On the basis of the points, you are going to prepare your speech. Okay, for inter-school debate competition. So you are required to speak. Okay, the subject can be changed. In place of pollution, you can be given. Okay, uh, need for environment consciousness, need for environmental consciousness. So both subject are similar. Okay, consciousness, consciousness, need for environmental. Okay, in an inter school speech. So prepare your speech. Means you have given subject environment. Okay, pollution, environment, degradation. So you should prepare your speech for inter school competition. You have given points. Number one, pollution. Number two, source of pollution. Number three, ecological balance. Number four, suggestion. So pollution, source of pollution, ecological balance, and suggestion. So on the basis of these points, you have to prepare your speech. So how we can start a speech? By addressing someone, by greeting someone, by greeting our principal sir, or by greeting our dignitary person. So respected principal sir, teachers, fellow students. Okay. Number one, point number one, pollution. So we'll start giving information about it. Pollution has become a great threat to our life. Yes, pollution has become a great threat. It is a big challenge. It is a big obstacle in developing country. We have polluted land, water, air, noise. Yes, all the aspect of life we have polluted. The major source for it are garbage. So what is the major source of pollution? Garbage. We can see garbage here, there, everywhere, and we are just keeping the garbage in open. We are burning garbage in open. Okay, and our factories releases smoke. Our vehicle release smoke. Okay, and causes lung cancer, skin cancer. Our factories releases in toxic material or pollutants dumping in to water bodies. That's why water bodies gets stuck in now rivers. Aquatic territories are going to end. Okay, so we are responsible for it. Growing industries create much problem. Yes, industrialization also a big threat for human development. Okay, we are also damaging ecological balance by felling trees. We are cutting trees recklessly for filling our greed. Okay, and we are building dams. Okay, we are going to urbanize. Okay, so due to these all activities, okay, we are damaging our ecological balance. We are damaging our natural inhabitants. Okay, and we are damaging our own habitants. Okay, we need to be conscious. Yes, we must to be aware. Our government should start programs. Okay, on awareness about forests and natural wealth. Okay, so we need to be conscious. Okay, we must be conscious in order to enjoying good health. Okay, we need plantation. Yes, if you are cutting trees recklessly, so you must plant more and more trees in place of them instead of cutting. Okay, so these plants are lungs. These green plants are lung, like work like lung in our body. Okay, so we should plant more and more trees. Okay, and we should shift our factories out of this city or out of the forest area. Okay, then at last, thank you. Okay, so third one, we have one more speech. Okay, so you are Prabhakar Goyal. Your class team has conducted a survey to find out how teenagers spend their free time. How our teenager is spending their free time. Okay, so observe below is a pie chart using the data given in together with your own idea. Write a speech on the topic. So we are going to speech on a topic, how teenagers spend their free time. How teenagers spend their free time. So respected principals, sir, teachers, fellow students, I Pravakar Goel with my class team have got an opportunity. Okay, we have got an opportunity to conduct a survey. Okay, means they had survey and express my view. Okay, and he express his view how teenager spend their free time. So far as the data show, 40% of them spend it on watching TV. Yes, 40% students watching television. They're spending their time in watching television, 40%, and 20% on talking to the friends. 20% students talking to their friends, and 20% on playing indoor. We talk about 40% spending their time in watching TV, 20% spending time talking to friend, 20% playing in indoor games or outdoor games. Okay, and 10% spend their free time on reading course book. Only 10% students spending their time in reading course book. Then 5% students spending their time in learning GK book, and 5% doing some creative activity. Okay, so you had a survey. Okay, how and where teenagers spend their free time. Okay, it is really shocking that the inclination to reading is become less. TV viewing cause violence in society. It is very shocking lackness of reading extra books. Okay, then instead of reading extra book, the place is occupied by TV serial and movie. Okay, on internet. So this all activity increases chance of crime in society. Okay, so it's very shocking. It is spoiling. Yes, this too much television, this violentic serials or movie, okay, spoiling our new generation. And we need to be alert. We need to be alert and alert and take care of our children. Okay, in this condition. So it was about 3 report writing. We'll see. You should learn uh, 2 report writing from starting. Okay, and then we'll see next concept in